Okay, Dr. Swari.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's great. So what you do now? Just quickly share what you where you open where you that file is and share with. Let me allow you
Okay.
to share.
Enable me to share slides, sir.
So I've done that. I've done that now.
I'm coming.
No problem.
Where will I find it?
No, what you should first of all do before you share, you opened it, just close, click on as if you want to open a window. You are searching for a file. Yes, I'm now you are searching for a folder first. First of all, click something as if you are searching for a folder. Then you now come through the
Okay.
Zoom and now say share screen. When you see do that, now double click on that thing. It will show me.
Okay.
Mm. You now begin to look for the way you put it.
Okay.
I've been calling Dr. Moronike. He has not been picking, and I sent text to her.
I will call. I will reach out to her. I think she tried calling me in the morning. That was the last time I spoke with her, and I was busy then. Mhm.
How are you, Mama?
Mhm.
Mommy, whose pencil is that?
Mine.
You know, what if I pencil herself, but she don't have pencil?
Woman, do me later. I'm doing something. Are you seeing my slide now, sir?
You can see. Ah. It's version 20 I'm seeing. I thought you downloaded version 25. Why is the version 25?
I've done that.
That version 25.
And that's what I want to
Okay.
see. I should click on it.
Yes, start. Yes, click on it. Okay, okay. Just click on it. Where is that to open? That's something you can even copy it and hold it now. DISERVRC. You can copy it. Come here and copy it. ISERVRC.
Okay.
Have you copied that one? Right click on it and copy that. Just let it be in the memory of.
Mommy, check for crime. They did not see them.
It's there. They should look very well. It's the It's not opening.
Why is it not opening?
I don't know.
Didn't you double click on it?
I did, sir.
That was how you installed it the other time now.
Because I've installed it before.
Eh?
Maybe because I've installed it before.
I don't think so, because even if you have installed before, you will just say, do you want to update?
Okay, I think it's the system that is slow. It's open.
What's the RAM of your system?
I don't know. How do you check that?
Okay, wait, wait. Have you installed WinRAR? You have WinRAR in your system, right?
Yes.
You have WinRAR, okay. Because if you don't have WinRAR, you cannot open it. But I think that was what you tried to install yesterday night. That if you didn't have WinRAR, there's no way you can even open it.
I don't tire for this thing. It's just that code that I need.
No, that code, that's what I'm telling you. There's a place, what really happens is that you are not supposed, before you read that code, you are supposed to uncheck something. If you uncheck it, say you are listening, it will not give you space for that code. You go and pay there where you go to paste. Okay, wait. Maybe you have not deinstalled it. Have you deinstalled it? Did you deinstall the one you did? You are not hearing me, right? Are you hearing me?
I'm not hearing you. Your
It's your, I don't know.
network is not
This is breaking. Wait, let me see. Stop sharing. Let me see. Is it the network? I don't think so. Stop sharing first. Okay. My network is okay. It's not my network. I don't know why. Okay, you know what? Maybe you didn't deinstall.
Yes, sir.
You didn't. It's okay. Share again. Let's go. Share. Let me just share again. Share again. I want to. So share again and go to your taskbar at the left corner and share again. I want to show you. Share again. Oh, this is very slow. Is it the internet?
I think so.
Is it phone something you are using? Your phone line? Is it your phone line here?
Wi-Fi.
Your Wi-Fi?
No, Wi-Fi.
And it's been like this. I don't know for them, yeah. Which Wi-Fi is that? Which modem? Go to the corner of your DC. Maybe it's possible. I don't know if it's possible with the Zoom. As if you want to go to your start bar where you usually type Word document, so that you just type RBF, type SPSS. At the lower corner, type SPSS. Okay, maybe you are not getting me. Okay, stop sharing. Let me demonstrate something. Stop sharing. I will show you something. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Let me demonstrate what I want. Let me see. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, you may not be able to see it. I don't know. How do we wait? How do I get you to see what I'm doing? S T. Okay. What I want you to see, I don't know why it's not showing me. You know, at the where you want to, if you want to let now you want to enter Word document now. You want to you can in your taskbar you can type W, it will give you Word. Or if you type the Excel E, it will give you Excel. At your taskbar, you know the place.
Yes.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you, sir.
You know, if you want to open Word document or Excel, at the taskbar on the left side corner, you know where it is. You know, I'm just describing something. I want you to go and look for
Yeah.
look for the SPSS. You type SPSS there. If you show you that SPSS, if it has been installed,
That's what I've clicked on now. It's now saying preparing to install.
maybe you preparing to install.
He said extracting HBSS statistics 25. A
Wait,
guide, something a guide, a wizard that we program
just
setup
wait,
process.
just wait. You know what is supposed to show you IBM SPSS 25 computer license. You see something like that?
And that's what I click on.
You know that thing I said you should copy. Have you copied it? Have you go and copy that thing? That's beside that folder. Go and copy it. Have you copied it? That ISE something. Have you copied it?
Yes.
Okay, go to that place now. Go back to that place. At that corner, we will type SPSS. If you give you SPSS license, have you done that now? Where we show you SPSS license. Hmm? IBM SPSS 3025 computer license. Have you seen it? Hmm? And right click on it. Right click on it. It gives you some option. You see, run as administrator, open file location, pin to start, pin to start bar. Do you see those options? You see open file look. If you right click on it, it will give you many options. One of them is open file location. Did you see it? If you right click on the IBM SPSS 25 commuter license, right click on it. It give you some options. One of them is open file location. Did you see it? Hmm?
Yeah.
Do you see open file location?
Yes.
So click on that open file location.
Okay.
Have you done that?
Okay.
You see another, you list all of them also. IBM, you see in a file, you see IBM statistic 25 license authority. Can you see it? Inside that file location, can you see it? Hmm?
I've not seen.
I thought you said you saw.
I've not seen.
If you see that
Showing one
open,
error.
if you right click on it again. Right click on that. On that when you open that file location, then you see the IBM SPSS 25 license authority. Right click on it. It will give you another open file location. Have you done that? Eh?
I'm able to do that.
Wait,
I'm
what
unable
have
to do that.
I'm coming. What have I'm coming. What? Can you see what I'm saying here? Can you see what I'm sharing?
Yes.
Do you see something like this? Can you see what I'm sharing?
Programs. Windows. Under Windows,
No, don't bother yourself. What I did, look at what I did. Here you are looking at me. I came here. I came where you can type your Word document and look for Word or Excel. I just type SPSS. As you type SP, it give you IBM Statistics 25 commuter license. If you have installed it, that's what I'm saying. If you didn't install it the other time, so I now right click on it, open file location. You see, run administrator, open file location, print start, and now click on open file location. As I click, it now took me here. When it took me here, I will now click on this IBA 25 license. I will now, if I right click on it again, you see many things, many options. I now click on open file location again. As I click on open file location, you see this, you now paste that thing on it. If you paste that thing, that is the license, you'll be able to run it. I don't know if you understand now. I don't know because all this. If let's say you can start installing it again and to finish installing them, there's something you're going to. I don't know why it's not start installing. If you can start installing now, there's a play you are supposed to uncheck. When you uncheck it, it will not even give you that option because they are making it difficult to install. They make it difficult for people to install. No, it's not. You are not buying it. There's intelligent people, so they have a way of going around it. So I don't know what you are seeing now. Share with me what you are seeing. Share with me what you are seeing. It's almost the time now. Even the Dr. Bola also has not installed. Yes, installed. Yeah. They even try, but they can try. Eh?
Dr. Lola Bello is here already.
He's here. He's with you.
He's here.
Eh. Okay, it's already connected. Okay. I understand what I say. I thought when you say, I thought maybe he came to visit you. Maybe he came to visit you.
No.
I need the license code, sir. License code. Where have you reached? Have you downloaded it?
I've installed it.
You install it.
Yes.
That is the problem now. You are not supposed to finish install. There is a last stage where you are so uncheck. It will not ask you for license code. It's the same something you did now.
So.
Yes, I mean now. You will have come. That was why I said you should call me. It's because I asked those people that gave me, said that that last stage, you are supposed. Okay, I don't know. For how long did it take you to install it?
It didn't take me long.
Like how many minutes?
Like 5 minutes.
Like 5 minutes. Okay, don't worry. Let's share. Start installing it. You can install. Start installing it again and share with us. As you start installing it, share with us. I will tell you. Start all over, and as you are making progress, just share with us. Share with me on the screen. I will tell you how to do it. Start installation again. Go back and start installation. Hello? Cancel the one you have done and go back and start. When you start, as you are making progress, share with me so that I just tell you what to do to finish it. Did you get what I said? Dr. Lola?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Dr. Bako.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank
Welcome.
you. Well done.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, thank you. So you're logging before the time. Let's wait for others. Dr. Lola.
The network went off. So I'm
Network.
sharing my screen, sir.
Okay.
Yes, so I'm sharing.
Yes.
So,
Okay, that's fine. That's great.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, open it. Before you start installing,
Yes, sir.
open that crack. That second some ISE some copy, right click and copy it. Right click on it. Right click. Yeah, copy it. Yes. So go back. Go back to no go back. I think you can go back right there arrow. Yes. Okay, start installing now.
Can he hear you?
You see it will go. If the last step, there's something you should uncheck.
Okay.
I hope if let's say this lady is joining us and could look at how you are doing it. And your what's the name? Share with us. So the thing has gone. Oh. Share again. Oh.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Share again.
Okay, so we are here.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, just be just. I'm calling Showade so that I look at what you are doing. It's not because sometimes when we are not together, there's no way. You just to give instruction. So if you don't know what to do, so you're welcome. People are coming in. Dr. Busola. Just wait, he's installing. Don't is installing. Just doing like that. It's installing. It will come.
No problem, sir.
Dr. Busola.
Yes, please.
That's Dr. Briggs, right?
Please.
Why do you want to use iPhone now? I what? Where is your computer?
I'm already working on it. Please, just permit me. My computers are right in front of me.
Okay, but you just want to see because we want you to connect with your computer so that you can share. We don't want you to connect with your iPhone. Yeah, put next now, Dr. Bello. Click on next.
Okay, sir.
So, Dr. Somebody is installing. So, yeah, go on. Next.
Next.
Yes. You'll soon finish. Next. Continue next. Wait, do you need job for Windows screen reading software enable? Which one is job? Okay, just click continue. What's the job mean? IBM statistics essential for Python. You don't need. You say no. I don't think you need Python, but you can leave it. Or you can leave it anyway. Okay, leave it. Leave it as yes. Yes. Next. Accept. Price. Click on accept. Next. Next. Click on next.
I've next it.
Why is it not good? Wait, okay, go on. Click on okay. Another net. Okay, accept again. Because of your Python, you click on that's why it give you to accept. Accept. Next. 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 Install.
I should install.
Yes. It's towards the end of installation. There is something will give you. You're on to uncheck. So we are just waiting for that. This lady just installing this thing. So be looking at the way it's installing it. Maybe by 10 after we'll be able to start.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, good evening, sir. Dr.
I'm still
Aniako.
here, sir.
Is that Dr. Aniako or Prof?
Yes, sir. Good
This
evening,
is
sir.
African Nigerian.
Okay, I can see. Okay, sorry because I was not seeing the full screen. I know that.
Not African American.
Sir, this is the page it's giving me, sir.
Wait, it's installing. It's just showing. Don't worry, it's installing. It will just
Okay,
bring
sir.
something out. It will install. Don't worry. So well done, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Aniako, well done. Prof, oh no.
Fine, sir. I'm still loyal, sir.
It's me that should be lawyer, sir.
Well done, sir.
Yes, sir. So somebody is just installing this thing just to demonstrate because many people find it difficult to install. So
All right, no problem.
So in 2 minutes you should be able to. So while we are waiting for that, I don't know if anybody Can we start discussion of what we did yesterday before we start something? Any question? Why is doing the installation? Any question?
So this is the last page.
I just wait. You know, is that the last page? There's something. Just click on finish. Wait. Start license authorization with. Okay. Click on finish. Let's see. Click on finish. Can you hear me? Can you hear? Check. You don't go and do share again. Or don't go and do something else. So share. Quickly share. So the network has gone. That's the problem. So yeah, we that are connected, what do we have questions about what we did yesterday? Any discussion so that we can start discussing that before people fully come? I don't know why people want to come late because I send the time to everybody. By the grace of God, what happened yesterday will not repeat itself. You log out. Hello? Oh yeah, share what you are doing, please. Dr. Bello. Dr. Bello. They are hearing me now because you are not muted. Welcome, Dr. Isaac. Dr. Bello. Dr. Isaac, can you
It
hear
just
me?
went off. I thought it was wrong.
Yes, I can hear you. Good
But
evening.
why is Dr. Bello not answering me?
It
Because
just went off. I thought it
evening.
was from
welcome.
Yes,
Yes,
good evening.
share what you are doing. The thing went off. You see, the service, the network. So any question about what we did yesterday so that we start from there?
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Go on, sir.
Sir, okay, sir. Sir, all right. Sir.
Go on.
Okay, sir. On grouping of a patient, transforming a data from the normal serial numbering to grouping. I noticed that while I was doing it in a different material, what I was having, I couldn't get the dash. I was getting from this through this, from this through this. So
yes, that's what is there. That is what is there. It's true. From this through this. That is what is there.
Okay, but if you now put it in the data, in the work now, in the data, it will appear dash. Dash will appear.
Don't worry. It's another thing. You miss that step. So what happened? Have you finished? You missed that step. That's it.
Okay.
You missed that step. What happened after? After that's
no. Okay, no. Everything went well. I didn't have any problem again. But I noticed that in the work we did, we had from 20 to 29, from 30 to 39.
So the one you did, what do you have there?
I was having from 20 through 29.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We'll repeat it. What I'm saying is that when you are doing it, what it gives you, what is on the computer there is true when you are putting it.
Okay.
So and you go and label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
Later, it's another thing you do to now label it that this 1 mean less than 20, 2 mean 20 to 29, 3 mean, so you 30 to 39, 4 mean 40 to 49, and 5 mean greater than and equal to 50. It's another step. So we'll review it. That's why
Okay.
it's good to practice. Okay. So
Okay.
please, I don't know what you are doing, Dr. Lola. Look at it. That thing is, you know what? The icon is down. Click on that icon down. That is it. Click on the icon down. What you have done before, I think, is there. There's an icon there. There's a icon. The window, you have to click on the window. Really click on the icon down to really know where you are. Okay, we have to start the session because we have to start the session. This is 11 minutes after. Because if the internet is on and off, there's nothing we can do. Okay. Let me just start because somebody quick review without wasting time. Somebody is joining today. Even there are some that were here yesterday as if they were not here because of on and off. So there's not even much difference between somebody that just came today and some people because their network did not allow them to participate. So who is HPO? Who is HP? Because
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Who is HP? I can see you, Ugo. Who is
Okay,
HP?
okay.
Who is HP? Yeah, for security reasons. Who is HP?
I think it's me. I'm just trying to.
Okay, it's you.
find my
Okay.
laptop.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Mhm.
Because this idea that people that are not showing their face, I don't know why you people are hiding your face. So at least show your face. Let's know you can hide it later. We know who is who.
Let me just set it down. I also want to download SPSS on my other laptop. So, but it's there on the older laptop.
Use the older laptop now. Don't download now because it will distract you. No, Hugo, I know you. You are not the problem now. It's all those things. I don't even know the way Dr. Brick looked at. I've seen her long ago. I don't know her again. If I see her now,
Okay.
there are some other people that come. I don't know if some of them come as ghosts. We don't know. We didn't see their faces. Okay, thank you. So, Dr. Bree, what you should do is that use
Hello,
the older
sir.
one, unless if you cannot connect to internet with that laptop.
Hello, sir.
Yes?
No, I can't connect to internet with that
Hello,
one.
sir.
Okay, go on, Dr. Dr. Anelko. I'm hearing you. I thought he's talking. He was talking.
Yes, sir. I was actually, Chief. Hello,
Then
sir.
go on.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I was happy yesterday because in the earlier work I did, so that grouping, I had to manually do it. Manually, taking them one by one. And yesterday, I could just see how easy it was to click buttons and get everything sorted out.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So because of that, now what we'll do is that we start the review with that question that you're listening. So now that you are here with your laptop, so open your SPSS and share with us. So
Okay,
we'll regroup that, quickly regroup so that part aspect that is lacking your this you perfect it. That's the
okay,
first we
sir.
want to do. So share.
Okay.
So what you know the way we share is that you first of all, if you want to share anything, at least you have a first click.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on before you share.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah. Good evening. Yes, I so just a minute. There's no network in Ubu or what? And we have been trying now, it's not reaching and this thing. Either. Okay, no problem. I'm in a meeting now. Later, that was why I was calling you. I'm in a meeting. Later. Thank you. Thank you for yesterday. Sorry. Sorry, my wife went to not and I cannot get signal. Okay. Dr. Anelko, here, please. That's the first thing you want to do.
Okay.
If just once you click on your SPSS, even if you have not opened the file, just open something and now share.
Okay.
Sharing me just when you do that,
Okay.
then now come to SPSS and yes, great.
Yes, sir. I've shared something. Are we seeing it?
Yeah, we have seen it. We have seen it.
Yes, we have seen it.
Okay.
This is your work you are sharing, right?
Yes, sir. This is the work I did. It's on pediatric fall from heights.
Okay.
And in this, yes, sir. In this work, I actually wanted to use a part of it to practice yesterday's
Work.
work.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Yes.
I had this. See my cursor. My cursor is on inpatient
Inpatient
admission.
admission.
Yes, sir. So it's in days.
Okay.
So I actually wanted to group it to weekly from 1 to 7, from 8 to 14, 15 to 21.
Okay, no
and,
problem. So no problem. What you want to know? Do you know if you want to know the smallest and the highest now, to really know the range you are dealing with? So go to analyze. Go to analyze. I think people are
yes,
seeing
sir.
it now.
Yes,
Go
sir.
to analyze.
Yes, sir. I'll just allow me to do it, sir, so that we can see the much I know, so that I can see the much
you have
I
to be
know.
saying it because I want it's not you alone.
Okay.
You have to be telling us
sir.
what you are doing so that other people can learn
sir.
from it. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'm going back now. I'm starting afresh. Yes,
Okay.
sir. So analyze. I now go to descriptive statistics.
Yeah, okay.
And then from there, I'll now proceed to the frequencies.
Okay.
So now frequencies will now expose all the variables. I'll now go to the inpatient admission down. Down here.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So I want to transfer it here. So
yes.
Now I'm now move to statistics.
Okay.
Where I will now have because our concern here is the minimum and maximum.
Okay.
Days
you can also
of
show the mean. You can help show the mean.
Okay, sir.
Show the
Okay,
mean,
sir.
median.
Okay, sir.
Quartile. Click on the quartile.
Okay.
You can leave the mode out. Anyway, it's okay. You can leave it. Quartile, standard deviation. Put on the standard deviation.
Okay, I should
down.
leave the mode.
No, you can leave it. You can leave it. You can leave it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Click standard deviation.
Okay, sir.
So you can continue. So as many things you want to know there, you can put. Just click continue.
All right, sir. All right, sir.
Okay.
So, I should remove display frequencies.
Okay, no, leave it for some people. Leave it for some people.
Okay.
Click and click OK. You see what will happen.
Okay. All right. Okay, sir. So this is what we have.
Okay, click OK.
And okay again.
Yes, now you have not.
Yes, click.
You have not run it now. You have to click OK to run what you want to run. To run the mean, all those things you click. You have to click OK to run it.
Yes, it's wrong. Are you not seeing my screen, sir? Are you not seeing my screen? This is the mean, the median.
Okay, we are not seeing the output.
So you are not seeing the output. You have to share with us again. You know your computer is not as powerful as that of our Ghana.
Okay.
So you have
sorry. Okay. Sorry. I will now go for the output.
Okay, what we are seeing is something else. Go to share again. New share.
Okay.
New share. Now double click on the output. We'll be able to see it.
Oh. Okay.
New share. On the Zoom, you see new share. You can see it.
Yes, sir. Trying to.
Yeah, again, where you did sharing the other time, go back there on the Zoom. It may be up. It's not more down, it's up. Once you share, the new share may go up.
Okay.
The icon may go up.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah, okay, yes, a new share. All right, sir. Sorry, thank you, sir.
When you click and now look for the output and double click on it. It shows.
Are we seeing it now?
Yes.
Are we seeing the?
Don't off your this, just minimize it. Anyway, that's what you use to sign in. Just minimize it.
Okay.
We are seeing Zoom. We minimize the Zoom. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Can you see now? You will see that all these initial one, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, minimum, maximum as percentile. Because it's also run the frequency. That's why this other table is here. That's what you wanted to remove. And
yes, the frequency down here, the ones here.
Exactly. And even from the frequency, you can see minimum and maximum. 1 is the minimum, and 65
exactly.
is the maximum.
65 is the maximum. Exactly.
Same things on the other table here. You can see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So go back to the
Okay.
move up. Let's see the first table so that I can use to explain. Now, this is the mean, this is the median. You can see that it's skewed because it's a number of days of admission. It's a discrete number. It's a discrete variable. So it will not be normally distributed. You get the picture now? It will not be normally distributed. And even the total is 35, I think. 35 patients. Yes?
Exactly. Yes.
Now, you will see in a situation, if let's say something is normally distributed, you code the mean. Mean 12.89 plus or minus standard deviation 14. Can you see the standard deviation is more than the mean?
Sir. Yes, sir.
It shows that it's skewed. Whenever there's a skewed data, extremely skewed data, the standard deviation can be even be greater than the mean. Now, if you don't, in this case
Sorry,
now.
Sir. Hello,
Yes?
sir. Sorry to interrupt. I think you said something about if the standard deviation is it more than the mean? I didn't get that part.
Yeah, that's what we have said. You can see it now. The mean is 12.89. The standard deviation is 14.008. The standard deviation is bigger than the mean. So it's an extremely skewed data. You understand now? So it's skewed data. And
it's not a normal distribution.
Yeah, it's not normal. And if you look at it, you can see also the median is far from the mean. So the mean is far. That's why that there's a positive outlier. There's some extreme number like all those 65.
Exactly.
Compared with other. When some people are having 1 day, 2 day admission, few of them have 60. Exactly. I think that one should be either neurosurgical patient or orthopedic. Any of them. Now,
all of them are neurosurgical, yes, sir. But
yes. Now, I want to say something. Steve, come up, please. I want to say, because I use the opportunity to explain something. Come up. I want to, yes. Now, in that case now, when you cannot use the mean and standard deviation, even if you have quoted, it's good to now quote the median. You now quote the median and the
mode.
No, it's not the mode. Median and interquartile range.
Okay.
So whenever something is
okay. The interquartile range, that's the 50 here.
Yes, that is 25 to 75. 50 is the median. 50% is the median. If you look at 8, can you see now? 50 percentile is the median. That is the same thing as the 8. 25 percentile is 6.
Yes, sir.
75 percentile is 16. You understand me now? So if you are quoting this one and you say the median is 8 and interquartile range is 6 to 16. You get the picture now. The interquartile range will now be your measure of variability instead of standard deviation. Do you get the picture now? So because when you code, if it's normally distributed, you code the mean and standard deviation. But when it's not normally distributed, you code the median and the interquartile range.
Okay.
I think everybody has got it that now.
Now, beautiful.
What you have learned.
I didn't get that last one. No. You're breaking. Hello?
Does it mean that it's breaking or you?
Oh, sorry, it was from my end. Okay, no, it was from my end. I can hear you now.
Yes. What I'm saying is that
yes, sir.
Whenever something is not skewed,
yes,
quote the mean as the measure of center tendency.
Yes.
And now quote the standard deviation as the measure of dispersion.
Yes.
That's a plus or minus. It's a mean plus or minus standard deviation. So you are adding. You are the first center tendency. The second one is dispersion.
Yes.
Of variability. But if it's skewed, you want to quote the median as the measure of center tendency, and now quote the interquartile range as the measure of dispersion.
Why? Why, sir?
Because the reason is very simple. Why it is skewed is because of the extreme value, and the extreme value can be extremely small or extremely big. But what the interquartile range is to give you the 25, the range between 25th and 75 percentile. Knowing that if there's going to be extreme value, it's going to be those ones that are below 25 or those ones that are above 75. Try to remove the two extreme outliers. An outlier that may come from the extreme. Now use the middle 50% because the middle 50 is between 25 to 75. That is the interquartile range. Does it make sense now?
Yes.
Instead of using minimum and maximum. Because if you use range, it will still give you the problem because the range the
highest and
difference
the
between the
lowest.
yes. And if
It's
it's
so wide.
extremely skewed,
So
it
wide.
will give you a wide
Yeah.
range. Thank you. I think we are getting it now.
Yes,
So,
sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So what you do now, Dr. Anyaku?
Yes, sir.
Now we want to now range it. So
Okay,
you say
sir.
you want to range it week by week.
Yes, sir.
But
So I'll go
this
back
your
to
data is 35 now. How many groups do you want to? You are 35 now. Only 35. The sample size is 35. How do you
yes,
want to?
sir.
You have to determine how we want to range it before we go and range it.
I want a week by week. That's the duration of admission in weekly basis. So I have some patients that were there for 1 week. Others were there for 2 weeks.
Okay, scroll
Others were there
down.
for
Let's
3 weeks.
see the spectrum. Scroll down. Let's see that frequency.
Okay.
So that we're able to
Okay.
see the spectrum. That's the. If you look at the spectrum now, because if care is not taken, if you do week by week, there will be some empty weeks. So because the sample size is not much, from week 1, you know that 1 to 7, you have some people there. Week 2, 8 to 14, you have some people there. Week 3, 15 to 21, some people there are very few. Week 4, 24 to 27, can you see the? In fact, 24 to 27 is only 1. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
The other one. So what you should do, you can have week 1, week 2, and 3 and above.
Okay.
Do you get the picture now? That's the way to.
Yes, sir.
So week 1, week 2, and 3 weeks and above.
And above. Okay. Interesting.
Okay. Now, if you want to do that now, so go to transform. That is where we range.
Yes, sir. I'm going back to the earlier.
So you don't need to go there. Just from here you can see transform.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yes,
okay,
from
fine.
there you can
Yes,
see
sir.
transform.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now
I'm going to this.
Yeah, you go to
different variables.
Different variable. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Okay,
if you
sorry.
don't do, it's okay. Don't worry. Just wait. Wait. No, don't cancel it. No. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
If you wait before you quit.
Okay. Sir.
If you look at it before that one, you see we go into same variable. That one is very dangerous because if you recall to the same variable, what it will do is that it will pick this age and now put your age range to overlap on it and knock out this. You will lose this one forever. And that's why that option should not even be there. I don't know why they put the option there. So you now say recode to different variables. So this one will still be there. It gives you another variable, which is age range. So go on now. Click on it. Yes. Now you now click on your go and look for that variable and move it to the box. So if you have questions, be noting it because inpatient admission. Then wait. Now, if you look at it, it's inpatient admission. Now put arrow. If you look at it, numerical variable into output variable, arrow into question mark. That is, what are you coding to? What is the name of your outcome variable, the age range or the admission range, the category you want to do? So you now come to the name. Name it now. You can say.
Okay, I'll see.
What will you call it? Admission week.
Period.
Admission group.
Admission duration. Admission.
Okay. Duration.
Admission,
no problem.
Admission.
Duration in week.
In weeks. Okay.
Yes, you can see that.
Admission. Oh.
Duration in week. Type it.
Admission.
No gap.
Hope we are following.
No gap.
Yes, sir.
No gap. Yes. You can just put week. You don't
sorry.
just a week.
Okay.
Admission
week.
duration week. Just a week. Okay.
Yes.
Weeks.
Whichever way. So if you want to label it, you can label it. If you don't want to, just leave it like that. Then click on change.
Yes, sir.
Immediately you click on change, it will replace that question mark. So it is move, is coding inpatient admission to admission duration week. Now click on old and new values. So you now want to set the old and new values now. Now click on that range.
Yes, sir.
This is where you are talking of. So you must be able to know the minimum so that you can capture everything, so that you don't lose it.
Yes,
if you are not sure of the minimum, you can start from 0. Yeah,
the minimum was 1.
You can start from the 0, so it doesn't matter. 1.
Okay, sir.
Through 7.
1 through 7.
That is 1 week.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you now come to value hub here.
Yes, sir.
You now put 1.
Yes,
This is what you were saying the other time. So 1 you had.
yes, sir.
Now you had. Now
Yes, sir.
the other one now say 8 to
Okay.
14.
Yes, sir.
8 through 14.
Yes, sir.
Put 2. Had.
Then I'm adding. Yes, sir.
Yes. You now say 15
Yeah.
to 65 because you want to match the
Okay.
rest.
Okay, sir.
16 to 65. 15 to 65.
15 to 65.
If what you are dealing with has decimal, you have to be careful.
Yes.
Otherwise, you lose some value. You now put 3.
Okay. Sir. Okay.
Put
Sir.
3.
Yes, sir.
You put continue. Okay. If you go and run it now, it's 1, 2, 3. You go to put there. Run it before we come on, because that was what we did here. Go and run it. Go to analyze. Let's go and see what we see. Let's go and run the analysis. Go to analyze.
Analyze again. Okay, here.
Yes, go to analyze.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Frequency. Go to descriptive frequency.
Yeah.
Click on it. Remove that admission and put your admission week. Remove that one and move your admission week.
Oh, sorry.
No, you didn't click. You didn't click on it now to remove it here.
Yes.
So it will be the last thing it has. Admission week will be the last thing here.
Yeah, admission duration.
Duration, yeah. Now go to statistics.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Remove all those things, because if you don't do it, you go and run it for you, and it doesn't make sense, because this one is not the real value.
Exactly.
These are not the
Okay.
real value. These are coding. You do
Yes,
minimum
sir.
and this thing for. Click continue.
Okay.
Click continue. Because SPSS, what you did last is will still be there. Now click on OK. It's already. You click OK.
Okay.
Can you see now? It has done
Yes,
something for you.
Yes,
And
sir.
they are 35,
Exactly.
15, 11, 9.
Yeah,
Now,
exactly.
what you want
Interesting.
to do now is that you want to say, instead of 1, 2, 3, you want to say 1 to 7. You want to put 1 to 7,
Yes,
8
sir.
to 15, 8 to
Yes,
14,
sir.
and greater than or equal to 15, right?
15. Yes, sir.
So now go to your data editor window.
Okay. So I'll
Go to
post
that.
sharing.
No, you don't need, you can share again. You don't need to stop sharing. Share,
Okay,
new share.
okay,
And
new
go and
share.
click on the
Okay.
data editor window.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Where is this?
Please, if you have question, please stop me and ask. Now,
Are
go
we seeing
to,
it now?
yes, we are seeing it. Go to
Okay.
variable view, variable view.
Okay, sir.
Now, go to that last one. Go to the last.
Yes, sir.
That's where that is. That are the duration. So your variable is so much, but your number of pages is much. Okay, look at it here. Now come
Yes,
to
sir.
number 1. Remove those decimals. Reduce it to 0. That's why it's giving you, by default, it has created new variable and give you 2 decimal places. That's why it gave you 1.00. Remove the decimal.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
no,
Okay.
that's second. Reduce it to 0. You don't want the decimal. Now click
Yes,
on values, under values, under value for that row on value
okay.
for that, no, column on value
Okay.
for that row you are dealing with rows.
That
Okay.
is none. None, down.
Okay.
Down.
Okay.
Down,
That
none.
admission in week. Yes. Click on it.
Yes, sir.
So put 1. Type 1. The one there was, if label is 1 to 7. Put 1 to
Yes,
7
sir.
now. This is what you were talking about. 1
Exactly.
1 to 7.
Yeah, this is where I
Add.
missed it.
Add down.
Yes. Okay,
Then
sir. 2.
2. What you label as 2 is
Yes.
8
8 to 14.
8 for 14. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
8
type it.
to 14.
Now add. The other one, 3, is greater than or equal to 15.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And I will tell you, put 3 there now.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Then I told you that this in the doesn't have greater than equal, but if you want to put it there, you can go outside and go and click on Word document, insert greater than or equal to, and copy it and come back here and paste. That's what I usually do. But you can just use sign greater than or equal to. Yes. You can do that.
Let me quickly do that.
Yes, you can do that. It's part of learning.
Are you still seeing my
Yes,
slides?
we are seeing it. I'm going to work.
Oh, fine.
We go to insert.
Insert. So go to symbol. And look for greater than or equal to.
Yes, it's here.
Copy it.
Okay.
Yes, we will go back to your this thing.
Going back now is sharing. Okay.
No, it's not. Is it sharing? And if it's sharing, share again now. If it is do you want to you share again? New share.
Maybe enter the SPS first on your screen, then.
Okay.
And yes, you can see. You can see.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay, paste. Oh, fine. Very fine.
Can you see now?
Yes, sir. 15.
Yes, 15. Add.
Okay.
Don't worry,
Text
just
value on much. I should put okay.
Just say okay. Don't worry. Just say okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
fine.
okay.
Okay.
Click okay now. Another okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can go and run it again and you see. If you go and run it, that label it. Go and run it as well. Analyze. Go and analyze. This frequency. Just click OK. It's already there. Just click OK. It's already there. Because that was the last you did.
Okay.
I see now.
Yes, sir. Okay. And
so
the question mark for me here.
Which question mark?
No,
it's your computer that is fighting that thing. Don't worry. That's
okay.
My own computer does not fight. Okay. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
At least you understand the logic behind it now.
Yeah, exactly.
So stop sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, stop
I
sharing.
appreciate it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any question? I think we have all game from all that. That's what I usually say. I find this Zoom something even more interesting than physical training. Reason me that if we were to be physical training now, if he's having problem, I'm with him. It's only me and him that will be seeing his computer, what he's doing, right? And at the same time, also, I'll be wasting time. Other people will not be waiting for me. But in trying to attend to somebody, demonstrate everybody part of it. That is part of it. That's the way we learn here. Is there any question? Dr. Bridge has gone out.
No, I'm now with HP.
Okay, HP. Okay.
I'm concentrating with HP.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. That's great. So, no question. Dr. Ayokumi. Dr. Ayokumi.
So why was there a question mark near that last category?
What happened is that the computer is fighting. You want to copy greater than or equal to, because some of those things, they are operation signs in the computer. You get the vision that they are used for operation. So that's why it's questioning it.
Okay.
Sometimes it doesn't show that. That's why it's just questioning it.
No, but when you do the analysis, it will give you those that are 15 and above, Abi.
Yes.
It's there now. It gives you, it's there. That's what he. So Dr. Ayokumi is sharing with us. What do you want to share? Share your SPSS. Dr. Chiwade? What are you sharing? Please, if you are talking, unmute yourself, because if you don't, we will not hear you. Unmute yourself if you are talking. Dr. Chiwade? Okay. Now, if there any other question concerning to me yesterday? Because if you need clarification, just so that I can just, because other people will learn from it. Otherwise, we move ahead. So it's also simple. But Dr. Bello, please, when I call you, answer me, please.
I answered you.
You didn't answer now because if
I
you have
unmuted
to
and
unmute
answered
yourself,
you,
you have to
sir.
unmute
Good
yourself.
evening, sir.
So any question? Any question?
None for now, sir.
No for now. Okay. Okay. What
None
of
for
Dr.
now.
Akin tell me? Okay, no question. Okay. So apart from, because it was Dr. Bako that shared yesterday, we want to continue. Who will share now? Who is ready to share? Dr. Taiwo, have you installed the SPSS? Dr. Taiwo, please unmute yourself and answer. You know, that's one of the major problems I have with many people. That's why I like to show your, okay, everybody show your face. Everybody show your face, please. Everybody in the class, show your face. At least you can hide it later. Show your face. Everybody in the class, show your face. Yes. Because so that we are sure that we are not dealing with ghosts. Everybody show your face. I don't know why you're hiding. Show your face. Because some people, they will just put the computer and they hide their face, they leave, go and take tea. And we shouting because I want to carry everybody along. Yes, that's great. Dr. Balogun, well done.
No, sir.
Yes, some people are still hiding their faces. So, Dr. Taiwo. Okay, Dr. Nwaso. Dr. Nwaso, please, if you want to, just unmute yourself and talk. Actually, it's only when your this is making noise that you need to mute yourself. If there is a noise coming, you can mute yourself so that it doesn't disturb us. Otherwise, you can leave it open if it's not disturbing. So that when and if I say something, I ask you a question, you have to quickly unmute yourself too. Because if you are talking, I will not hear you. Dr. Nwaso, Dr. Taiwo. Okay. You see. Okay. Dr. Isaac, have you downloaded the SPSS? You have the SPSS there?
I tried again, it didn't work, so I'm relaxed. Maybe when we finish, I'll contact you so that you can help me tell the steps.
Google,
I've tried
are you
more than 5 times.
No problem.
They will say file not seen. I use Google Drive, I downloaded
No. Which one did you try to? Is it the one I sent, version 25 I just sent?
Both of them, the old one I went.
No, forget about the old one. The new one, people who are downloaded, is to install their problem. They have downloaded
I went for version 25. That WinRAR and all the rest. So, but I tried.
No, if you know, I sent two to you. One with WinRAR is to prevent virus, and that one is zip. So, if for you to open it, you have to install WinRAR in your system, and it doesn't take more than a few seconds to install in WinRAR. Just go to the website, just when it will install, it will open it. Then the other one without WinRAR, you have it. So it's the only thing. I actually wanted to demonstrate how to install it with somebody, and I don't know, the network was bad. Dr. What's your name? Dr. Lola? Where is she?
Just one thing. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry.
Yes.
That WinRAR, when I went to Play Store to download it, I didn't see the WinRAR as such, but I was seeing
no, it's not Play Store. Okay. Is it your phone you are using, or your tab you are using, or your computer? What are you using?
I tried it on my phone and my.
No, you cannot. How can you? You want to install? You want to install SPSS on your phone or on your laptop, on your
No, I just
iPad?
wanted to do it so that I can come and do it my laptop.
No. What you should have done is with your computer, you go on net, Google WinRAR, not Play Store. It's not all this application for a visit. It's not Play Store.
All right.
Okay. So, okay. Nobody want to. Okay. Maybe I should maybe I should continue with Dr. Anyaku. Dr. Anyaku. Now, you have opened your SPSS. Go back to the SPSS. I want you to go and open the file yesterday. The file of yesterday, the what do I call it? The skin lesion of yesterday. Want to
Yes,
continue our yes?
I didn't get that skin lesion.
I sent it to you. You didn't. I sent it this
Later.
afternoon.
Oh, sir, I will get it now. Sorry, sir. Just one second. I'll get it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We'll go now.
The blue add to Chrome button. Then click
Go
add
now.
extension to continue.
Okay, Dr. Taiwo, we have been calling you. Where did you go to?
No, I was in noise, a lot of noise in where I am. I was on the road.
Ah,
Oh, you were on the road.
And I was at work, so I just come in.
Okay, have you installed the SPSS?
Not completely. They have not fixed my laptop. Another laptop now. I'm trying to install it.
Okay, don't worry. Just stop that one and follow. Because let me tell you something. I don't know. You know, yesterday when it's like as if the men wanted to overshadow the women in the class. And it's long I don't want anybody to be discouraged.
so we're not complaining, no.
No, wait, you are not
Yes,
speaking. It's me that is complaining, it's not you. Now, my observation is this. You know, Dr. Babagana, when I was saying so much you share, Dr. Bako has already shared. You know, Dr. Bako has been using SPSS. This is not the first time he's using SPSS. So sometimes don't be intimidated by some people because they may be ahead. It's not as if maybe they are too smarter than you that they have grasped everything. So, when I call Dr. Bako, he's already using even 25. You understand me now? So it's covered. So don't be intimidated. That's why I like carrying. If you look at when I was wasting time, you are wasting time. Just quickly go to that. You know, there's something in his mind. And that splitting, that's what I want to, he shatter it. I say, just go to the splitting. For me, I like carrying everybody along. And you see, even when you know something also, by the time you get to know more, you get the picture now, you know more. So these things about little things, you don't know. I was doing a training in Port Harcourt. We did all those high falutin things. I don't know if Dr. Briggs you can remember. Is Briggs, is he still in or he has gone?
Don't TJ for me.
Okay, the HP has gone. So somebody now said, we have learned all this way, how to clean data, how that we don't know how to enter data. Simple thing. So who is sharing now?
I am, sir.
Okay, Dr. Aniako.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great.
It's a screen. Come.
So, but this is Excel.
Don't off it though.
Yes, sir.
No, I want you to read it through the SPSS.
No,
Okay, sir.
Stop sharing this and now share SPSS first. We'll go to it. If you know where it is inside your file, inside your computer, just stop sharing this and share your SPSS. That SPSS the last time. Just share the last one you did. We'll go and pick this one from that. Stop sharing Excel and share your SPSS.
Are we okay? New.
Stop sharing. You see stop sharing there up there. Just click on it. Stop sharing.
Okay, I should stop sharing, sir.
Yes, stop sharing the excess. Stop sharing.
Okay.
Share the SPSS, the last one you did. Just share the SPSS.
Okay.
Doctor, something is there. It's like your own, Dr. Ifi. You are appearing 2 times there.
Yeah.
Good evening. Good evening. You are appearing 2 times. And the thing is, okay, yes, you have muted. Okay, but have you installed? Have you been able to? Maybe you have it now. Dr. Ifi. Dr. Ifi, please answer me.
Yes, I have it. Yeah.
Can you share your own SPSS?
Yes.
Can you share your SPSS? Please, your system is making noise.
I have it.
Okay, share your SPSS. Share your own SPSS. Click on the SPSS. When you click on it, it opens, don't share. So let's say, because I want people that have not been able to do it. Then you do it, other people see you doing it. That's the way to learn. Don't waste time, oh. Yes. Now, go to file. You know where the skin lesion is. Go to file. Go to where the skin lesion is and read it out. Yes. Open. Yes. So you have not saved it as SPSS, right? Okay, click on the Excel. Click on it and open it. You have to click on the Excel. Open it. Why is it not opening? Or is it opening with you? We didn't see. No, it's already there. Now just click open. Or you double click on it. Great. Now, yeah, share again. The thing went out. Share again. Yes. So, for you to be able to save it, you can save it at SPSS there now. Go to file so that you can save it and have the SPSS version. Go to file. You want to save this as SPSS now. Go to file. Are you hearing me? Dr. Bridget, please unmute yourself and talk when I talk. Dr. Bridget. Unmute yourself and if you want to speak, please. Okay, I don't know, maybe the system is having a problem. Dr. Anyaku, share your own. Some people, their connection is not good and there's no way. Share your own, please.
SPSS, huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Because I don't want it to be one person. If I ask Bagara to share now, 1 second, we will share it.
Okay, sir.
Ugo want to share, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. It's here. Are we seeing it, sir?
Okay. Yes.
We
That's
are
great.
seeing it.
We are seeing it. Yes, that's great. Now,
Okay,
if you see yesterday, we did a lot of things, but I don't want us to repeat ourselves. I don't know. All we did,
Is this not the skin lesion data now?
but this is not the skin lesion. This is your own, Dr. Dr. Nyaku.
Sir?
This is not skin lesion.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But I can
Because I was about to
change.
say that I don't have this data.
Yes, open. Open, because this is not this is your own data. This is not skin lesion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know.
Open data now. Open. Look for the folder where you put it and bring it out.
Okay, sir. It should be in
If you have
download.
not saved this as SPSS, it will be accessed there. When you get to that folder, you have to go and click and change this SPSS to Excel before you can see it. Dr. Ugo,
Okay.
what did you say? You know what? Please, I
No,
want
sir,
to
I
log.
was saying that I was saying that when I saw the data, I was like, I don't have this data. Oh, am I the
Okay,
only
turn your
one?
own. Please,
So I
I
was surprised.
want to stop and connect again. I don't want the video to be too heavy. Please. Yes,
Oh, no problem, no problem.
I will just stop it now and connect back so we can save the other one and pick again. Because if it's too big, it's difficult to upload and you yourself you cannot download it.
Okay.
So you can split the video.
Okay, so we'll connect. Okay.
Don't worry, you connected. It's me that is disconnecting.